Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw Steenee, Mallow's partner. And of course, after it evolved into Starina, Steenee is, well, basically one of the hottest Pokemon, even though she's just a kid. Alright, let's get started. Just start with the eyes here. Always start with the eyes, people. There we go. There we go. Now, where are you? Where? Weird night. There we go. Now we draw the arms. Make sure they're really, 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 really long. Really, 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 really long. Here, here, and here. We just draw this mark here. There. Now we draw the lower half. Here are the legs. And done. That is how you draw Steenee. And now, glad that's done and over with.